Welcome to the Scrum Team in a nutshell. Scrum teams are self-organizing and cross-functional. Self-organizing means that the teams are free to choose how they work. Cross-functional means that they have all the competencies needed to accomplish the work. For example, a UX designer, a Java developer, a tester, and a technical writer on the same team. Scrum teams deliver products iteratively and incrementally. Iteratively means that the product is created in pieces. Incrementally means that the pieces are planned and delivered in iterations that build on the previous one. Scrum teams are made up of 3 roles: the product owner, the developer, and the Scrum Master. Let's go over the product owner. Product owner maximizes the value of the product increment. The product owner is always one person, never multiple people. He or she represents the customer and decides what and when to release. The product owner is responsible for defining the scope of the development team, owning the product backlog, establishing and promoting the product vision, and for budgeting, as well as improving the product ROI by prioritizing the work. Now let's talk about the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master upholds the Scrum framework. They are servant leaders that allow teams to self-organize and make decisions. That means that they have no authority over the Scrum team. They work for the team, but also have access to the stakeholders. The Scrum Master is responsible for being the Scrum Keeper. That means being a teacher, being a coach, being a facilitator, and being a change agent. The Scrum Master is an impediment remover for the team. The role protects the development team, and the Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum events. And finally, onto the third role, the development team members. Development team members create product increments. They're expected to work in a respectable environment and must be allowed to focus on the work, to self-organize on how to deliver the work, and to negotiate what to pull from the product backlog. The development team is responsible for estimating their own work, for producing a done increment at each sprint, for owning the sprint backlog, and for assisting the product owner in maintaining the product backlog. There you have it, the Scrum Team in a nutshell.